Hey there, Cheryl here. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently sitting in my car. I went to a corner drugstore to pick up a few necessities because, you know, like most of the drugstores, they don't carry or they don't have the things I needed because people just crazy buy everything, you know, they can. I'm really grateful that I got the things from this drugstore. So, I got a disinfectant spray, a couple like hand sanitizers, and most importantly I got hydrogen peroxide because I'm actually planning to make my own disinfectant sprays. It's the best to actually stay at home because during this like coronavirus situation like this, you know, stay home if you can and be well. I don't really want to go home yet because it's been raining for days. Currently it's just super sunny, just trying to soak up all the vitamin D, you know, before I head home. It's been quite depressing, you know, you drive around, no traffic, you know, normally LA traffic is pretty horrendous. It's no joke. But now, it takes half of the time or less to get to places. Normally it takes you longer. So I guess that's one good thing. You know, I hope everyone's staying safe. I really appreciate you tuning in and watching my video. Thank you so much for supporting me.
And you know what we could be, like a song, like a perfect.
I got you 6 lemons for your lemon juicy. Got you 2 bags of pita chips, grapes, 2 bags of angel hair, pasta sauce, some lunch meat, bread, more pasta, eggs, salsa, guacamole, berries, 2 hummus, and the rest of the meat in the fridge.
Oh snap, food foragers.
Yeah.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your desire. Well, we're all built in right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. Make it together. Yeah, yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free. stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. For we're all built and right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Yeah, yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free, yeah. And it won't take a lot. Your fragile soul will soon be strong. I'll carry you so tenderly. What I wanna say is that I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together.
Yeah, man. But didn't know what's going on.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you.
No doubts, no nervousness, nothing.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way.